Hello, my lovelies. Melissa from Metropolitan Cosmetics. It's a start to a new year, 2023. And what I thought best to do for the first video of the year was to open with a special prayer that I wanted us to join in together to bring in a renewing year, a year where the elements of light, love, and forgiveness are present. This will allow us to replace our physical senses with true vision and purpose. I want to remember this truth with you today, together. The light has come. The light has come. We are healed and we can heal. The light has come. We are saved and we can save. We are at peace and we bring peace with us wherever we go. Darkness and turmoil have disappeared. The light has come. There are no dark dreams now. The light has come. Today, the time of light begins for us and everyone. It is a new era in which a new world is born. The old one has left no trace upon it in its passing. Today we see a different world because the light has come. No shadows from the past remain to darken our sight and hide the world of forgiveness. Today we will accept the new world as what we want to see. We will be given what we desire. We will see the light because the light has come. We will be devoted to looking at the world that our forgiveness shows us. This is what we want to see, and only this. Our single purpose makes our goal inevitable. Today, the real world rises before us in gladness, to be seen at last. Sight is given us now that the light has come. We do not want to see the ego's shadow on the world today. We see the light, and in it we see heaven's reflection lie across the world. The light has come, I have forgiven myself. Dwell not upon the past today. Keep a completely open mind, washed of all past ideas and clean of every concept you have made. We have forgiven the world today. We can look upon it now as if we never saw it before. We do not know yet what it looks like. We merely wait to have it shown to us. While we wait, let's repeat several times, slowly and in complete patience. The light has come. I have forgiven the world. Realize that our forgiveness entitles us to true vision. Understand that God never fails to give the gift of sight to the forgiving. Believe He will not fail us now. We have forgiven the world. He will be with us as we watch and wait. He will show us what true vision sees. It is His will, and we have joined with Him. Wait patiently for Him. He will be there. The light has come. We have forgiven the world. Tell Him we know we cannot fail because we trust in Him. And tell ourselves we wait in absolute certainty to look upon the world He promised us. From this time forth, we will see differently. Today, the light has come, and we will see the world that has been promised us since time began, and which is the end of time ensured. Rejoice in the power of forgiveness to heal our sight completely. Be confident that on this day there is a new beginning. Without the darkness of the past upon our eyes, we cannot fail to see today, and what we will see will be so welcome that we will gladly extend today forever. Say then, the light has come, I have forgiven the world. And should we be tempted, say to anyone who seems to pull us back into darkness, the light has come, I have forgiven you. We dedicate this day to the serenity in which God would have us be. Let's keep it in our awareness of ourselves and see it everywhere today as we celebrate the beginning of our new vision and the sight of the real world, which has come to replace the unforgiven world we thought was real. Love you all. I'll see you soon.